In this video, we're going to give you a complete summary of the latest leaks about DJI's most anticipated drones, the Mini 5 and the Mavic 4. In the last weeks of April, we had a flood of leaks about the Mavic 4, making it the most leaked drone of all time. DJI seems to be adopting this strategy to keep the interest and anticipation high around this drone, especially since the launch was originally scheduled for April 24th and was postponed to May 13th. During this period, we also had a very important leak about the Mini 5. Until then, we only had this black and white photo highlighting the main new features, such as the LiDAR sensor, the camera, and the motors. But on April 24th, a new image was released showing a Mini 5 prototype being tested on the streets of China. This new photo doesn't have good resolution, but I made some adjustments to improve the quality, and now it's possible to see some details that confirm the information from the leaked photo back in December. It also proves that DJI is conducting field tests, which increases the chances of us seeing more leaks of this prototype. Just out of curiosity, I placed an image of a Mini 4 Pro in the same proportion and position so we can compare the differences. The first thing that catches the eye is the propeller guards, which were probably installed to provide more safety, allowing for more extreme testing of the obstacle avoidance sensors. The camera also appears to be slightly larger and more exposed, as it no longer has those side flaps that used to protect the gimbal. But the main highlight is the LiDAR sensor, which is located in this pair of windows right at the front of the drone. As I had already mentioned in my previous videos, they were probably arranged this way so as not to interfere with the 60-degree upward tilt angle. After all, the tilt and rotation of the camera were already a major highlight in the Mini 4 Pro. The LiDAR sensor should greatly improve the Mini 5 Pro's obstacle detection and avoidance system, as it's expected to have long range and work even in complex, low-light environments. There's no doubt this new device will be the standout feature of this drone, especially because, since the Air 3S, DJI has likely made major improvements to its AI algorithms for recognizing obstacles to avoid and subjects to track. Now let's go over all the latest leaks about the Mavic 4. On April 4th, I posted a video informing that the launch had been delayed from April 24th to May 13th due to technical issues. And on April 14th, we had this post from Jasper Ellens about an official confirmation email regarding the delay, which also confirmed the new launch date. On that same day, he also posted on the social network X a very interesting TikTok video by Matthew, which starts by showing the original Mavic 4 box, front and back, and then goes on to reveal the drone in detail from every angle. This Mavic appears to be the basic version, featuring 64 gigabytes of internal storage and coming with the RC2 controller. Next, he performs a hover flight, followed by a camera rotation demo inside an arch made of shipping containers. While moving forward, he completes a cinematic 360-degree spin. On April 19th, this photo of a DJI staff training session was leaked, where we can see in detail the new RC Pro 2 controller, along with a 245 watts charger with 3 batteries, and a large camera protector that will be included with the new Mavic 4. On April 22nd, Hakasushi posted these images of the Mavic 4 Pro, which supposedly experienced a sudden crash for no apparent reason. These photos reveal interesting details, such as this image of the camera, where you can see the filter locking system. In the right corner, we can spot the contact pins for controlling the electronic ND filter, which, as far as we know, will be an accessory sold separately. In this other photo, we can see the camera movement mechanism. And in the final photo, the drone is shown with one of its arms broken. Still on April 22nd, we were surprised by the leak of a video posted on this account. It shows a Mavic 4 flying between buildings. It's very likely that this video was filmed by another Mavic 4, which was likely testing zoom and focus to capture the best possible image. Here we see it rotating the camera 90 degrees, and then in another scene, it performs a full 360-degree spin. As expected, on April 24th, there was no Mavic 4 launch, but to make up for it, DJI began the biggest leak spree of all time, starting with a sequence of photos posted by Igor Bogdanov. In this image, we can see the bottom of the drone. Next, we have this front-facing image, now from a different angle. From the top view, the 3 obstacle avoidance sensors stand out. In this other angle, the LiDAR sensor is clearly visible. In the right side image, we can notice the tilt of the rear arms. Now the same image from the left side. And finally, a photo showing the batteries from all angles. In this other post, the 3rd generation of the 4G dongle was revealed. This optional accessory will be installed in a new location, on the underside of the drone. In this post, a kit with 4 types of ND filters was presented, ranging from ND8 to ND64. This kit will also be sold separately, since the drone is expected to come only with a plain front cover, without any filter installed. And so far, there's been no further news about the electronic ND filter. It likely faced some issues during testing, and is probably undergoing technical adjustments to be released at a later date. In this leak, the items included in the Mavic 4 Pro Fly More combo were revealed. It comes with the RC2 controller. And in this other post, we see what's included in the Mavic 4 Pro Creator combo, which stands out for having 512 GB of internal storage, the new RC Pro 2 controller, and the more powerful 245-watt charger. Hakasushi also made a post about the combos that will be sold in Europe, with prices in euros. The basic kit, which includes the Mavic 4 Pro with 64 GB of internal storage, a 4G dongle, the RC2 controller, and just 1 battery, will be sold for €2,189. The Fly More combo, which includes the Mavic 4 Pro with 64 GB of storage, a 4G dongle, 3 batteries, the RC2 controller, and a 100-watt charger, will be sold for €2,899. And the most expensive kit will be the Mavic 4 Pro Creator, featuring 512 GB of storage. Its Fly More combo will include a 4G dongle, 3 batteries, the RC Pro 2 controller, and a 245-watt charger. This kit will be sold for €3,849. He also posted this promotional poster, highlighting the main features that set this drone apart. But for those who were expecting the RC Track to be launched alongside the Mavic 4, he reported that this portable controller was cancelled, because it didn't meet performance standards, and its GPS tracking features were integrated into the RC Pro 2. On April 25th, Jasper Ellens made this post on the social network X, which links to his website, where we can find these beautiful promotional images of the Mavic 4, like this one highlighting its sensors, or this one of the drone with its arms folded, and this one of the Fly More combo kit. But the most interesting part is this table with the official specifications of the Mavic 4 Pro. As expected, there were no new updates, except for the range. According to initial rumors, it was said to be 40 kilometers, but now we have confirmation that it will be 30 kilometers. On April 26th, the leaks continued in large quantity, like these detailed images of the RC Pro 2 controller, featuring its beautiful 7-inch high-brightness touchscreen. We also got more promotional images of the Mavic 4 Pro Creator, highlighting its accessories, such as the filter kit, the 245-watt charger with the 3 batteries, the RC Pro 2 controller, and the 4G dongle. Igor also posted these photos in a polar setting, including this beautiful shot of Mount Tibet, which was taken with a 168mm lens. Sebastian Fernandez made this post showing that the Mavic 4 units are already hitting store shelves, which proves that distribution to retailers is already underway. Also on the 26th, Jasper Ellens commented on what we're seeing in this video. The Mavic 4 is the most leaked drone of all time. There will hardly be any surprises left for launch day, as we pretty much know everything about it already. On April 27th, Igor posted this video, showing the happiest moment for a drone enthusiast, the unboxing. It starts with the outer transport case, and finally, we see the classic white DJI box, featuring the image of the Mavic 4 Pro creator and the RC Pro 2 controller. Only those who've owned a DJI drone will truly understand that feeling. And today, he gifted us with a post that perfectly captures the essence of this video. Both drones in the same scene, the Mini 5 and the Mavic 4. It's a short clip, filmed from a distance, showing what appears to be a field testing team. We can spot what looks like a Mini 5 and an RC2 controller being handed to a DJI employee, who walks toward a table where another team member also seems to be testing another Mini 5. Then the camera shifts focus to a third employee approaching a Mavic 4 resting on the ground. This scene is the perfect grand finale for a video featuring the two most anticipated drones of the moment. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.